We're a little late. But the stupid groomer's a little late today, too. I'm going to call my mommy. Boy, I almost really did call her. Ring, ring, ring. I love this music. It's just so great. It makes me feel like I'm in an elevator. Hello, Mom! How are you? Oh, I am terrible right now. Oh, yeah. We're this groomer's 30 minutes late. Stupid. Yeah. Oh, she's here. What a dumb thing. Oh, my God. Yeah, you ruined it. Go back upstairs for 5 more minutes. It's Haley's dad. Bye. The door. Yeah, now are we going to have to restart that? Let's keep going. Okay. So, hold on. Shh, quiet. I'm on the phone with my mother. Sit, dog. God. Don't be mean to the dog. It's all right, Haley. It's all right, Haley. It's my dog. Leave it alone, okay? It's all right, Haley. Casey, your appointment's right now. Shut. Okay, Mom. Well, I gotta go. All the groomers here. Okay. Yeah. Don't lay down. Up. Come on, boy. No, he's a lazy dog. Bye, Mom. Sorry. What? Is that right this way, Casey? Come on, doggy. Come on. Come on, boy. Good boy. No. Spin around the circle. Oh! Come here. You don't trip me. Sit. I gotta take my crown off. No. Oh, I think I just ripped up my hair. Should we leave the... I don't know what to do. Okay. Ow! I hit my scalp. We're worried about the dog today. Okay. First, we're going to brush its teeth. Casey! Oh, he has to get up. I know. Casey, sit up. Come on, Casey. Up, Casey. Okay. Up. Sit. Don't lay down. Come back. Puppy. Sit. Stay. You want a treat? Treat? Sit first. Let's get the toothpaste out. Me first, Kenna. Little hairy. Stop toothpaste. Yummy. We go on there? I don't like nothing. Oh my God, I'm sorry. That's good enough. Open wide, Casey. We should probably face the camera. Show them that we're actually brushing the teeth. Turn around, Casey. Here, why don't you go to the camera? I'll brush first, and then I'll go to the camera, and then you brush. Or we can just turn around. Casey, come here. Come. Oh, you sit. Now we're going to brush his teeth. Yummy. No. Yummy. Ow! Brush the other side, Kenna. I can't. Just go to the front. He doesn't like the front. He's a very gentle boy. Yeah, I can't get you. I can't get it. Whoa, good boy. You deserve it. Okay, no. Sit. Kenna, you want to give him a spot today? Yes, spot. Oh. Squirt. Oh, it's not even going on him. Why do I gotta use the comb? Anyone. That smells nasty. No, that smells good. Brush. Come here, puppy. You can't go in the waiting room. All that. He's a hairy dog. He's on the wall. You gonna light it up. Dynamite. Cause I told you once. Now I told you twice. Kenna, that's enough singing. My gosh. Now let's use the... How I can think it like some brushes, but... Resi. Oh, ouch. I'm sorry. Lotion. Kenna, we're putting lotion on. Lotion? On her finger. It says, you see it? 1% leave-on lotion. We won't use that today. Look at this. We'll put the cologne for pets, beautiful princess, and prince. It smells kind of good. Directions, shake vigorously. Woo! Dental cleanse pads. Kenna, these look like something I would use for my acne.
It does. Like those, I forgot what they're called.
Neutrogena.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Think vigorously.
Tropical spray. Only $20.
And a light, airy mist.
Yum.
Said rub it in the skin, but I'm just going to use a comb.
I'll do it.
Your hands are going to be...
Yum. He looks cute. Now we can put
Detangler. You got some tangles in your butt.
Sam, we gotta put the clips in today.
Oh, he's spraying.
Oh.
Detangler.
What a cute.
What a cutie. Oh.
I already sprayed that.
Cologne for pets.
I already said that.
Cologne for pets.
We're done, Kenna. We're putting the Vikings on now.
How about the scarf I picked out?
This is my Casey. Turn around. See the beautiful... Nice. Casey, look at the camera. Look at our beautiful beverage stand. Oprah!
Casey, sit.
Kenna, you know what we forgot to do?
Oh, I'm sorry. Do it.
Kenna, you gotta do it like this. Watch.
Show me.
Okay. See this?
Uh-huh.
It'll be gone in a second. Wait for him to finish eating.
Yeah, more than that.
That looks cute. Casey, treat!
Oh.
Sit. Up. Oh, we missed it. Casey, come here. Sit. Up, up. Good boy.
Good boy,
Good
Casey.
boy. Okay. Ken, we already combed him.
See, I don't think that cologne works. You can't go through it.
Okay. Cameron, I don't think this video is working. That's nice music. Ew.
I'll put some music on here.
Okay, I'll put some music on. Okay. Kenna, why don't you have your rosary on? Oh, cookies.
I took mine off.
Lunch break.
I don't even work here.
Oh, whatever.
You don't.
I just got hired today.
I'm this reminds me like an old lady. Look.
No, you are. Oh my God.
Like, you know, like, they had like the rubber things? Casey, you're a pretty lady today.
Ketchup song.
I'll give you another treat if you come here.
I want it in English.
Like ketchup song when we looked up?
Yes.
Sit. Lay down. Doesn't know how to lay down.
Yes.
Lay down.
Roll over.
Roll over.
He doesn't know how to roll over.
Oh. Sit. Sit.
God, quiet.
Down. Sit. And up. Oh, I still grab it.
If you dream, you will win this.
Please, Mom, get rid of it. Sit. Sit.
Who wants the water? Oh, tricking him. He can bite you.
He will?
No. Up, 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 up. Up, Casey. Up, up. Sit, sit, sit. Up, up. Up. Get it.
From the south.
My favorite. Ah. He loves me.
My finger's on me.
Kenna's number 241. We ran a 5K today. Pretty awesome.
Wait.
Sit. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. Up. Oh, there you go.
With the buff ball that we did like on other videos. You're like,
And I'm like, Kenna's wonderful drawing you did today.
it's like an hour.
I have the tiger. Oh, that's a pretty cat. Are you going to her? Who wants a spawn? Pixie does. Well, you're dumped off